come on, just you and I.
My name is David Amaya. I am a singer-songwriter from Silver Spring, Maryland. And I'm currently attending Frostburg State University, but in the spring of 2016, I will be transferring to Berklee School of Music in Boston.
Stop. He's like, no.
My earliest memories of music would be sitting in the car listening to my mom's oldies in Spanish.
Sentado en la arena con mi amada, siento resplendor del sol.
I started writing music. It started around the time my mom was diagnosed with cancer, breast cancer, as a necessity to get away from my reality. I lost myself in connecting lyrics and coming up with the right notes. Has my blindness affected the way I write music? Yeah, I would think that the only way that my blindness has affected it, I guess, is by the way that I think things. For example, blue skies and blue seas. You know, I think about the feelings more, you know? I think about how the stuff would feel.
Smile up at me. Let's go to the sea. We can walk hand in hand with the grains under our feet and lay on the beach, bearing my feet. Golden summer loving. Do you feel the summer heat? And
I have a guide dog. His name is Dean. And we've actually been together for, it's going to be 3 years in August. You smell so good, actually. I think he hears me play more than anyone ever does. Like, he'll hear me play and play and play at weird hours. Like, I'll play at 2 in the morning.
Paso desde tiempo de verano contigo.
I'm happy with what I've done, you know? Right now I have 4 songs written. I'm working on a 5th, and once I get this 5th one done, I'm planning to come out with an extended play CD. Definitely gonna work in the music industry in some way, shape, or form. Hopefully as, you know, a star, singing, having a good time. If I could make enough money to support myself singing, I'd be happy with that.
Summer love, summer la 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 la, summer love, summer love.